Welcome back to our tutorial, and this time we're going to see how to create a new content, a new article, and position it on the top menu under National HIV Response, and also position it in the main menu under Regional Initiative, just below Regional Initiative. So here we're going to make it as a child link of the National HIV Response, but on here on the left you are going to make it as a parent link within the main menu. So to do that, first you have to create your article before you link it to the menu. So go back to the back end and go to the content article manager. So if you click article manager, you'll be brought up to this page where you can create your article. So go and click new to make a new article, and our article we're going to name it as Global Initiative. So write the title is Global Initiative. The alias can just skip it because to be written automatically, and just leave the section here uncategorized so you don't do anything. But on the article you put your content. So if you put your content in Word, you can come and paste here, but I will advise you prepare your content whatever in Word or what, but put it in paste it in a HTML in a notepad. So put your content somewhere here. So if you wrote it somewhere, don't come and paste here, and then copy the content from the notepad, select and copy, and then paste in your text editor that comes with Joomla. I'm saying this because if you copy from the Word, direct from Word to this editor, you have the formattings that are not uniform. So that's why I'm saying to come to the notepad, because it is unformatted, so you have uniform formatting in your website. So you paste your content here, then after save, click save. It's asking for the section. It's asking for the section, but here the section is, I'm not categorizing it, so just select uncategorized. I skipped this one. Select uncategorized section because that doesn't belong to any section, and then click save. So we have our article Global Initiative already created. Once you create an article like this, the article is not shown in the front end of your website until you link it with a particular menu. So we're going to link it first in the main menu, just under the Regional Initiative. So we go back to the menus, we go to the menus and go to main menu, because the name was main menu here. So the main menu opens up. We have a lot of links here, but most of them are unpublished. Only 4 links are published. As you can see here on the front end, there are 4. So we're going to add another one. So simply click new, it's a new menu. So when you are creating a new menu, you'll be given a list of types to choose. Because link with the article, so we are going to select article. So just click articles, and there are varieties of articles. Because we want just to list a simple article, I'll suggest you to choose article layout. But if you want to list many articles within the same page, you can choose category blog layout. Since our article is just single article, so I will prefer article layout, so we click this one. Okay, and give the name of the menu. So give the name of the link. Our link is Global Initiatives, so you can just pick that one. Areas you can just skip, and we have to select the article, so we go and select the article here. Okay, still searching. We have it there, Global Initiative, so click that article and make sure that you configure the parameters here, because if you don't configure them, other things that you don't want them to show up in your page, they will show up. For example, the publish date, the author, and things like that. So we have to disable some of the components. So I'll just you just here as a rule of thumb, just skip the 2-1, do nothing, but the rest just click no hide, no hide, no hide, hide, no hide, no. So it drop like that. Show author name, no hide, date hide, time hide, navigations hide, read more if you don't use it, hide, rating unless you want it, otherwise you hide it. Icons you want to print, don't want, you hide them. So I don't want to print, don't want PDF, I don't want anything, I don't want emails, I don't want to see hits. If you want, you just leave them, but I don't want to see this. Then after, you come back here to the menu, and it is a main menu, of course. We will leave it as it is. We leave it as a parent. So if it is a parent item, you select the top, and yes, make sure it is published. Yes, published. It's okay. Click save. Okay, it's already saved. Now you can see that we have another menu here, called the Global Initiative. And if you go to the front end and refresh, we'll have another menu here. I'm expecting so. Oh yeah, so we have Global Initiative. If you click this link, what do you see? To open up our article called Global Initiative. So we have seen now how to link the article as a parent item, the menu, in the main menu. Now we're going to link it as a child item in the top menu under National HIV Responses, the same article. So we go back to the back end and go to top menu, and yeah, it has opened up. We're going to put another link under National HIV Response here and call it Global Initiative. So we create a new item, new menu link. So click new. It's an article. We're going to select artists. And select the article layout because it's a single article. Now we'll put the same link title, global initiative. The alias we're going to skip it. The article we have to select. So it's the same article already created. It's a global initiative. So that one. Now this time I'm not going to make any configuration of the component or the parameters. Keep this one so you see what's the difference. And I make sure that it displays in the top menu. But since that is a child item, I'm going to position. I want to select tab. No, I'm not going to select top. Then I'm going to put it as a child item under HIV response. So this national HIV response is a parent item. So I click national HIV response. So that link global initiative is going to be a child of the national HIV response. And yeah, okay, then click save. Yes, I hope it's done, but probably it's shown on the next page. So if I click the second page, yeah, I have it here. So it's already created. If I go back to the front end and refresh or click home, I'm expecting to see it under national HIV response. Yes, there it is. So if I click this link and see its content, I want to see what's the difference now. You see there are other things that are appearing on the article because we didn't configure the parameters. So the page is shown very well, the same as shown as global initiative on the main menu. So you can just choose to place wherever you want in any of the position of the top menu or main menu or other menus like advertisement, important links, etc. So that's how you can create a new article or a new content and publish it in your website. So that's all. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.